At MagMod, our goal is to make awesome photography easy by taking the tools we work with and turning them into tools we want to work with. Let's face it, most Coldshoe mounts you come across just plain suck. With the MagShoe, we wanted something not as clumsy or random as the Coldshoes photographers have had to deal with for years. No more flimsy, uncomfortable, time-consuming knobs, latches, or brackets. No more settling for something that just barely works. It's time for something sexy. The MagShoe takes that clunky Coldshoe body from basic to baller, with its universal compatibility and ergonomic shape that feels just right in your hand, with its soft touch, silicone-like coating. Attaching a flash has never been faster or easier. Just slide the flash in and rotate the switch. That's it.
Wait, that's it?
That's it. The comfort grip knobs are gentle on your hands when tightening the MagShoe to a stand or setting up an umbrella. Plus, it's much faster than those old dinosaurs. Oh, and that tiny, tedious lock on your flash? Yep, not even needed. The MagShoe puts your flash on lockdown. You don't have to be worried about any bumps, shakes, or jiggles, as a durable custom locking mechanism was built to tighten your flash in and make sure it isn't going anywhere. Even when fully loaded with the Mag Ring, a couple of flashes, and the MagBox, this thing is rock solid. A large, squeezable button sits right where you'd want it, letting you easily maneuver the MagShoe and lock it in quickly at any angle you choose. Just squeeze and release. This means anyone can position it quickly and easily, whether it's down low or up high. And you can do it all one-handed. Attach it, lock it, and adjust it without ever putting your camera down. Plus, it's no problem to remove the MagShoe from the stand to go handheld, getting the light at the angle you need while being more comfortable than ever before thanks to its elegant design. Finally, frustration-free shoots, thanks to a Coldshoe that works the way you want it to. Fast, easy, awesome.